In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an Excel table into Gmail with borders. This is a handy trick when you want to share organized data without losing any formatting or visual layout, and it's all done using two familiar tools, Google Docs and Gmail. Let's walk through the steps together, and you'll soon be seamlessly adding tables to your emails. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Docs. It's a web-based application offered by Google that allows you to create and edit documents right from your browser. Once you're there, go ahead and start a new document by clicking on the blank page option. With your new document ready to go, your next step is to insert a table. To do this, you'll look towards the top menu bar and find the Insert option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Table. A grid will appear that lets you select the number of rows and columns you need for your data. For example, if you need a table with 3 rows and 4 columns, you'd select the 3x4 grid option. Once your table is inserted, it's time to add your data. Click into the cells of your newly created table and begin to type in your information. Whether it's numerical data, text, or a mix of both, fill out the cells according to what you want to present in your email. This step is relatively straightforward, and you can format the text if necessary, just like you would in any other document. After your table is complete with all the necessary data, you'll want to select the entire table. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the table, making sure all cells are highlighted. Once highlighted, it's time to copy the table. You can do this by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a PC, or CMD+C if you're on a Mac. Now that you've got your table copied, switch over to Gmail. Open your Gmail account and hit the Compose button to start a new email. With your email draft ready, click into the message body where you wish to insert the table and paste it using Ctrl+V or CMD+V. Presto! Your table, along with its borders and all, should appear right there in the email body, just as it did in your Google Doc. And there you have it. By utilizing Google Docs as your middleman, you can ensure your table maintains its structure and styling as it moves into Gmail. This technique not only saves you time, but also maintains the integrity of your data's presentation. Now you're ready to send your beautifully formatted email. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for useful tips like these.